Calling all cellists, let's plant some trees. Today is Earth Day and the Cello Museum and I are giving you the chance to be part of a huge music video project, Cellos for Trees, that has the vision of planting 10,000 trees. Who doesn't love a tree? And we all know that planting trees is one of the best things we can do for our environment. Now imagine your cello playing having a positive impact on our climate. I know that sending you to sit under a tree to play your cello will make you feel great. And there's something magical about playing in music in nature. And I know that being part of the Cellos for Trees community will also make you feel wonderful. I've written a multi-track cello piece called Full Circle, Cellos for Trees. And the idea of the full circle is to give back to the trees because we got our cellos from the trees. The single is released today and I want you to be in the video. To be part of this music video project, you need your cello, your phone and your favourite tree. It's very easy and there are parts for every level of player, from open strings to professional. Registration opens today on Earth Day and you have 3 weeks to submit your video. You'll get access to the full score and parts, playback audio for every part and instructions for shooting and submitting your video. I look forward to connecting with you, to watching your video and to creating beauty in the world with you. Let's plant some trees. Register now.